Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray. In today's video, I'm going to be applying my Holiday nail strips. These are by Color Street. And if you go to fancifulnails.com, which I will leave the link in my description box, you guys can pick up you a set of these as well. They're super easy to apply and they last up to 2 weeks. So definitely well worth it. And y'all, definitely forgot to mention that they're only $13. Yes, 13 bucks for 2 weeks of beautifulness. So definitely keep on watching this video and I will talk to you guys soon. So here you see me tearing off a nail strip for my pinky, and I'm sizing it to make sure that it does cover my nail. And now I'm removing the clear top or the clear plastic from over the top of the nail strip, and so that it'll make it easier for me to remove it from the white part. So now you see me applying it to my nail, and I'm using my thumb, really the body heat from my thumb to press this nail strip onto my pinky so that it does kind of seal in a way. And these strips do last up to 2 weeks, guys. So this is just my nail strip style for this week. So hopefully next week I'll have something different for you guys. But now you see me repeating the process with the remainder of the strip I had using on my first pinky. And y'all, I know y'all see me ripping it off of my pinky, but that's because it hasn't adhered to it 100% yet. And that's what's so great about these nail strips is before it seals to your nail, you can take it off a couple of times to readjust it. And that's one of the things that I like about these nail strips. They're very easy to use, apply, and y'all, real time, it took me maybe about 15 minutes to complete. After I do these 2 fingers here, I'm just going to speed through the rest. If you have to, definitely rewind to see how I do my pinkies here in real time. you've made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and that subscribe button so you know when I post my next video. Y'all also let me know what y'all think about this style down below in the comments. I love to know what you guys think. Alright y'all, that is all I have for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me apply my Color Street Holidays nails for the holidays. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.